Okay.
Hold on, wait.
Go.
Recording?
Well, yeah, don't run the baby over.
I was just going to say, for scale, I need to come stand by him.
Well, there's a 6-foot ladder next to him also. Whatever, just go.
Yeah,
and don't run the baby over because she doesn't know to get out of your way.
Okay, go. You want me to do that?
That's where I am up too. I got my cameras are pretty hot.
Roy, move your big head. Girl. How are you going to stop? Cool.
That doesn't hurt your
Awesome.
leg. It doesn't if you just fall. Not wanting to. Ooh.